Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy ways to make money off of old clothes or accessories or anything you want to try to sell. So the first one I'm going to show you is Poshmark, and this is an app that you can get on your phone. It's also on Google or the internet, and it's basically just an app where you can sell clothes and jewelry and shoes. So what I usually do is every fall, spring, and summer, I usually clean out my closet to get rid of clothes that don't fit. So if you see here, I have the pictures, and I'm taking pictures of my clothes and putting them on sale on Poshmark. It's super simple, and as you can see, those little red tags mean I've already sold those items. So I've already sold a couple things already. You don't make like huge, money unless you put it for like more expensive kind of clothes, but I usually do mine $5 to $10 at a time because I'm trying to get rid of the clothes. So if you make it a little cheaper, you will sell a lot more. But this is just an easy way to sell your clothes online for a price. And then once someone actually buys something from you, it's actually very simple to send it out. You have a already prepaid package slip, which you can download off the app. So it's already prepaid, you just have to drop it off at your local, mail office. But what I usually do is write a little note, saying thank you for buying my product, and I wrap it up nicely, and then I just use old Amazon packages or Amazon boxes since I have so much of those, and it's just really simple and easy to do. You can just drop it off at your local mail office and it's all set. Alright, and the next thing that I have been using is eBay. I recently just used this because there's a few items that I wanted to sell that were kind of higher end, and I didn't really want to sell it on Poshmark. So I have a few items that I'm going to try to sell on eBay. I recently just broke my camera lens, which sucked, so I had to go buy a new one. So I was looking up is anyone buying camera lenses. I wanted to make sure before I actually recycled it. And I guess people on eBay buy camera lenses, so I just put a broken camera lens on eBay, and there's currently 3 people watching it, so hopefully that gets sold. But I have a tripod that I'm going to try to sell, and some nicer sandals, and a nice little handbag. That way, I can try to sell it before I donate it. So this is just showing you how to put it on eBay. It's really simple. There's a lot of different options you can do. A lot of description that you can put on there if you want. So this is just another simple way to sell your stuff on eBay. And the last one I want to show you is your local stores that are in your town. I know there's one store in my town called Plato's Closet where you can actually, give them your old clothes, and they can pick the ones that are most trendy or whatever they're looking for during that season, and they will actually give you a few bucks for them. And so here I'm just packing up all my stuff that I'm going to try to sell at Plato's Closet, and I'll actually show you the things that they are looking for. But yeah, this is another one you can do, is just try your local stores and see if you can sell your clothes. So here is Plato's Closet's website, and it just shows you what they're trying to buy, and there's tons of different things like bodysuits and dresses and jeans and sleeves and shorts and shirts. There's accessories that you can also give to them. They have footwear, so any type of shoes that you may have that you want to sell. I know they have outerwear, so gloves and stuff for winter. They have men's stuff as well, so it's not just women's clothes, it's men's as well. And then athletic stuff. So it's an easy way to try to sell your things. And once you have exhausted all your options, you should donate your clothes to local charities or local houses and homeless shelters, so that people can have clothes that probably won't be able to get them as easily. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.